Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest way to master the popular text behind objects effects in Canva. So stop using boring overlays and start creating dynamic scroll stopping images and videos that look like they belong on a magazine cover with no Photoshop needed. Here I'm going to use this video and I'm going to put on text behind this person. Now what you need to do first is just duplicate the video or images that you add. Then put the video on top of the first one. Layer it like this. Now add the text. So in here, I'm going to add a text box. Let's say I'm going to write fashion. Here you need to use bold and big fonts for the text so that it will stand out behind the object. Let's say in here I'm going to use the League Spartan and I'm going to adjust the spacing like this. You can also change the style of the text by going to effects in here, and you can change the color to the color that you preferred. So I'm going to change the outline color to, let's say, this colors in here. So now what you need to do is adjust the durations of the text and then put the text layer in between the two videos. So drag it like this. So you can drag the video or the text just like this. And now delete the background of this video, the one at the top. Click on background remover, and just like that, now the text will be behind the objects or the person. And this is the result. So that's very easy. You can try your own now on Canva. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one.